Introducing the world's first cordless hedge trimmer with a 1-inch cut capacity. The Ego Power Plus 24-inch brushless hedge trimmer. Make short work of every shrub, bush, and tree with the 24-inch dual-action hardened steel reciprocating blades. The true 1-inch cut capacity makes hedging a breeze. Equipped with fully serviceable blades for DIY sharpening. Work longer without the strain thanks to the high-efficiency brushless motor. The Ego Power Plus 24-inch hedge trimmer delivers 3,000 strokes per minute to get tough jobs done faster and more efficiently. Powered by industry-leading ARC lithium battery technology.
To keep your yard looking its best, you need tools you can trust, like the CRAFTSMAN V20 22-inch power saw hedge trimmer. This versatile tool lets you tackle outdoor projects with confidence. You can quickly trim wayside hedges horizontally and take on taller hedges by using it in a vertical position. Plus, the powerful dual-action blade allows you to cut branches up to 1.5 inches, while a wraparound handle provides a comfortable grip, and an integrated hanging hook provides easy storage. Say goodbye to unruly shrubs and branches with the CRAFTSMAN V20 22-inch power saw hedge trimmer.
Give your tallest hedges clean-cut edges with the SJH902E multi-angle telescoping electric pole hedge trimmer from Joe. Joe's sturdy 7.9-foot extension pole provides an impressive overhead reach of up to 13 feet to groom higher and sweep farther with each pass for perfectly sheared shrubs while you stand safely on solid ground. Simply select the optimal angle desired for professional results in the precise trimming of most tall bushes and hedges. Squeeze the trigger and tackle those tough-to-reach overgrown bushes and small branches. Joe's potent 4-amp motor, coupled with a durable 21-inch dual-action rust-resistant steel blades and multi-angle adjustable pivoting head, let you do the work of a crew in one powerful tool. It's also a great choice to trim in tight spaces where a traditional hedge clipper simply can't cut it, like between the house and hedges. Plus, the quick-release safety strap helps reduce operator fatigue while in use, and the built-in safety switch prevents accidental starts. And it's all backed by a complete 2-year warranty. So, cut your trimming chores down to size and go with Joe, the SJH902E multi-angle telescoping electric pole hedge trimmer.
Introducing BLACK+DECKER's newest line of 20-volt max lithium-ion tools, Power Command, giving you additional control of your outdoor power equipment with the push of a button. The Easy Feed string trimmer allows you to easily and reliably feed trimmer line with the simple push of the Easy Feed button, putting control back into your hands without the hassle of bumping. With the integrated flip-to-edge feature, you'll be able to convert your trimmer into a wheeled edger that supports the weight of the trimmer for the perfect edge along sidewalks, walkways, or gardens. The new Power Cut Hedge Trimmer puts added cutting control in your hands with the Power Cut feature. Combined with a 3/4-inch cut capacity, the Power Cut feature allows you to power through a tough cut or jam with the push of a button. The new Power Boost Sweeper gives you more blowing speed with the addition of Power Boost. Engaging the Power Boost feature delivers a surge in performance up to 130 miles per hour for loosening stubborn debris. Operating the sweeper in non-boost mode allows for additional runtime during less rigorous tasks and more precise control in moving debris in areas like mulch-based flower beds. These Power Command tools are compatible with all of your 20-volt max lithium-ion batteries, delivering power and versatility without the hassles of gas-operated tools.